We are getting ready to fly the drone today, and I have the DJI Mic 2 hooked up. And by the way, I have to apologize. I have a chronic sinus condition, so you may hear me cough or sniffle or whatever. It's just a terrible sinus condition, and I just have to deal with it the way it is. So we press the little takeoff symbol on the left side, press and hold the takeoff button, and it should take off. And I have all kinds of things around the drone, so it's detecting with a collision avoidance, it's detecting things in front of it, behind it, beside it, everywhere. So I want to make sure that the home point is updated. You can see on the lower left on the compass, it's detecting all kinds of problems. And I want to show you how you could actually use a drone to take a picture of, let's say, a power transformer. So I'm going to move the drone to the right. And there's nothing over there that I can hit, so I'm going to go up a little bit. I'll just give you an example of, let's say you needed to do a power transformer check for the power company. So we'll rotate that around a little bit. Center it, go up just a little bit. And then we're going to go forward a little bit. So when you're doing this type of work, it's very important that you visually watch your drone to make sure it's not getting too close to anything. All right, so if I got right there, let me go up just a hair. Now let's zoom in on that transformer. Let's see what it actually looks like. So I can actually fill that screen up, go up slightly. So you could do an inspection of a transformer, cell phone towers, and you don't have to get that close. I mean, I'm not really that close to it. But as you can see, you know, I could go up a little bit. Let me bring the gimbal up just a little bit. And then I can zoom in even more on that. So there's 3x. I mean, this is how close you can get. And I wanted to point out that that telephone pole, quite a few years ago, we looked out and the top of the pole was on fire. It was about 3 or 4 feet higher than what it is now. So you can see there's nothing but, you know, black ash sitting there at the top. And we had contacted the power company, and they had to come out, send some people out with fire extinguishers. They climbed the pole and put the fire out. I don't know what caused the fire, but it certainly did cause a fire. So, I mean, this is really, really a good example of how you could actually inspect a transformer. And when I get down to here, let's zoom back out a little bit. Go back down to 1x. So there you have it. So this is 1x, and we can zoom in all the way up to 3x, and then digitally zoom 3x to 9x.